Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and I want to thank all my subscribers for believing in me and for coming back to watch my videos. So in this video I'll be sharing how I made this beautiful look right here with this bun and then this bangs. So if you're interested to see how I made this video, please keep watching. So yes, I've applied the first layer of this gorilla snot gel. I already applied before I noticed my camera wasn't really recording. So yeah, just go ahead and do the normal thing. Apply the gel, whichever gel you feel like using. I only have this right now, so I'm using it. So apply the gel, put it in a brush it, then put it in a bun.
Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. And bomb like them are watching. They're pretty about
Guys, I'll be using this hairspray right here because after using the gel, my hair didn't really slick or lay down as I really wanted. So I'll go ahead and use this spray, and then after that I'll use my bandage, my white elastic bandage. Yes, you heard me right. It's going to be white elastic bandage to tie my hair down. I have the bandage in the house, so I didn't want it to go into waste. I'll be using it for something good, which is what you'll be seeing right here. Towards the end, the result is what really matters. What you use to lay your hair down, it doesn't matter. Use your hair tie, your bandage, your wrap, or whatever it is from Amazon or anything. Just lay the hair down. Yep.
Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place.
So yes, after some minutes, like say 15-20 minutes, depending on how long you want to tie it down, then just remove it. Then I'll be using that extension I used in one of my videos. I'll put the link up. Then I'll just measure it out before I'll apply my glue. Then for the bun, I'll be using that bun you saw right there. I got it from a local beauty supply store. I use it to make one beautiful hair video. You can check the link in the description box to see the beautiful hairstyle I made with that. So yes, just apply, measure the extension, how long you want it to be, because this is going to be a bang. So measure it out, cut it with your scissors, then apply the hair bond. Then when you finish applying the hair bond, then you use your hairspray. Then just spray the hair and continue the process. Just see as I'm doing it right here.
You are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss inna the thing so. Girl pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy.
So yeah, I won't be going all the way to the bone because we will be putting that big gut bone here. So I'll measure it out to see if it is okay. Then I'll stop adding more hair. Then the next thing will be cutting. So for this hairstyle, I'll put out like small 2 sides. Just you will see it. Then before I'll go ahead and now trim, cut. This hairstyle took a lot of trimming and cutting, so you just have to be patient with the process. But at the end of the day, it's paid out because it was looking really beautiful, and I felt like $1 million, baby. Yeah, it paid off at the end of the day. So yes, just be patient with the process and just do your thing. At the end of the day, you look so beautiful. So that's the reward.
The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine, let me grinding at the thing so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss inna the thing so. Girl pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bumbuck like them and watch it. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
So yeah, after the cutting, and I've just put the bun, I felt something was not sitting right. So I had to just trim again. I really wanted to feel I wasn't getting the feel I wanted. So I had to continue my trimming and with my scissors, as you can see, until I was able to achieve the look, the first look. Because just from the intro, you see we have 2 hairstyles. So this one is the first one. So until you're satisfied with what you want, keep trimming, keep cutting till you get there, girl.
Go down, yeah. Oh, Lord, make you slow down.
I have to bend my eye like this. I know it's a funny look, but man, anything to get that hairstyle. Yup, this is the finished look right here. Just tell me, am I not looking like a real princess? Like, oh, just tell me, just say the word or write the word in the comment section. Yes, this is the look and I'm feeling myself. You know, after the cutting, the bending of the eye and the closing of the eye and the neck, and you get this beautiful hairstyle yourself, girl, you're going to feel on top of the world. And yes, I did feel on top of the world. So yes, for the second hairstyle, I'll just comb it to the side, because I feel the shape of my face whenever I do a side part or I comb it to the side, it feels good. So I just comb it to the side and adjust the hair bun and use my scissors, my razor comb to just trim the the ends. Just trim the ends and bam, you get the second look. It's as easy as ABC, right? Let me know in the comment section, which of them do you prefer, the first one or the second one? Me, I think I prefer the second one because it gave me a different look entirely.
So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl.
So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.